everybody, it's Renari. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to SF9 Scream music video. We have the rest of the album to check out as well, but I will be doing that in another video. So just for now, the music video for the title track. Let's get into it. And if you guys are just finding my channel, please subscribe to me down below. You can follow me on Twitter for updates and other stuff. Please comment down below so I can chat with you guys and join the Discord. Okay, so update to my bias list. To no one's surprise, I'm sure. Channy. Just like before we go into this, I was rewatching all of SF9's music videos again for like the 1000th time, because honestly I've done that so many times, and I was watching so many live performances, and there's no denying, it's not just because Youngbin's not here right now, but there's no denying that Channy was my first bias and is still very much bias. And I just denied him for the longest time. And now we're here and Youngbin's not here. So like, might as well make it official and say I'm double biased. Double biased with Channy and Youngbin. Like I've known since day one, and I'm sure you guys have known. So I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I'm worried, but this is going to be really fun. It's my birthday as of filming this, as of this hopefully coming out, as of this music video coming out. So SF9 did it especially for me, obviously. Let's get into it. Jade's so cute in this. I can't. No. Oh, it's way too quiet for me. Hold on. Let me turn that shit up. Okay. Ooh. Wow, with the backwards hat. What is this? It sounds like he said bitches. I know he said bitches. What is this flow? It's so bouncy. Horse on the floor. Ah! Ooh, I like the isolation part. Blow your way? Of course it's Priyanka. Of course Priyanka has that line. Oh my god. Yes! Jaeyoon's voice in the song. I love him. I love them all so much. Stupid. Ooh. I will. Oh my god, what are these outfits? It's like matcha ice cream, like colored. What? I like them. Of course, we've got Taeyang and Huyoung just naked. Ugh. Shut up. Get it? Wanna get down? Ooh. That one? These are so cute. Oh, yeah? Why is this part eat? Getting a phone call. Why is this part eat? This risky. Woo! Yes! Oh, that was fun. Okay, it's honestly different than I thought it was going to be. It's a lot more bouncy and like literally fun party energy to it than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a summery, like easy breezy type of song for the most part, and then like that chorus going in and hitting, but the whole thing kind of matched the chorus energy. Oh, I don't know how to feel about it yet. I have to listen to it another time. Let's just do that right now. Let's just do it right now without the lyrics. Zuho looks amazing. They all look great this comeback. I really like this intro. You know what I think about it? I think it is not the most memorable song out of their whole title track discography. Like, I feel like all the other ones I can think of like really pack a punch. Not in terms of like how like hardcore it is, but like they're very memorable, very melodic, have their own like very unique sound going on to it. I would say, yeah, I think that's it. I think it's good. I like it. I just don't think it has that like memorable impact for me, but it is really super fun. This sounds amazing. Why do you have a can on your head? He looks so good. I love having Channy and Zuho's like deeper voices in the chorus. That changes it up for me. That changes it up and makes the chorus a little bit more dynamic. Actually, do we have everybody in the chorus then? Everybody sing? I can't wait to hear this album. Ah! That one is giving every main vocalist freaking power right now. Love it. This. Oh, the live performances are probably disrespectful. I love his smile. I like it. Oh, it's gonna grow on me so much more, I know. It's so catchy. I didn't realize how naked you were either, so Powerful choreography. Oh, I can't wait to see the live performance. We'll probably do that in the next video with the album. We'll probably do a live performance for Scream um as well as the album in full. But I like it. Like I would probably I'm not as excited for it as I thought I was going to be. Now listening to it, it's definitely like a different vibe, more energy, but it fits the concept. And it's a really simple music video. They're so cute in it. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyways, I know that was a short video. We will get back for the album. I think it's just really cute, and it's something that, as much as I enjoy it, I'm not missing Rowoon in song and Youngbin as much as I thought I was going to. And I think that's because of the energy and the danciness and the bounciness of it. It kind of makes you just like get into the actual groove of the song. Whereas I really thought I was going to go into this and be like, oh, I miss them. Oh, I miss them. Oh, that part would have been perfect for them. Like I thought I was going to be in fucking shatters over that. But no, they covered it up very well, doing it with 6 members and having that fun party vibe to it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.